Gang, 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 gang. What's good, YouTube gang? You already know what time it is, you know? Yes, man, you don't know you back in the lab, man. Wake up and blow ourselves, up on the damn self in the evening. You see me and say, yeah, man, that's what we're there with. We're there with none other than Likkle Vybz and Vybz Kartel. They want to name DiSGRACE. DiSGRACE. I want to go on. But you don't know, Vybz Kartel and Likkle Vybz is back at it with another collab. It's a good thing, good look, father and son. You see me doing music and doing great things. You see me and say, yes, man, pass on the legacy, man. And so we come, that we have to set it for those who come after us. You see me and say, for those who come after. You see me, when one fall, we continue. You feel me? Yeah, man, guys. You see me and say, that we deal with. You have to set it for a generation. That's a new motto we are going to run with, you know. You see me and say, for those who come after. You see me, when one fall, we continue. You see me and say, no jokes. That's what I think for said. Like the circle of life, don't it? Yes, man. Yeah, man, guys. So we're jumping on the one here. Likkle Vybz and Vybz Kartel. DiSGRACE. Let's get it. How the blood clean? How I go on? The dog am mad out? The dog am mad out? Say it out so. The dog the valiant. I'm mad, we are mad out. Yo. Okay. I can't lie, start to the beta. Go on, Joe.
Yeah. Rari drifting on me insane. Girl want fuck me say bitch weird. Fuck it and cut me never sincere. Boss pan her face and she use it like skincare.
What?
If you never shave then me bring near.
What?
Straight vibes from come in no drink beer.
What? No, sir. Likkle Vybz this. And Likkle Vybz this. Blood clean. This nice like hot rice. This nice like hot rice. Hold on, we have to go disable the one, you know, cause you know like thing. But this nice like a hot rice, man. I want to go on. Likkle Vybz. Hey yo, when I analyze your youth are bad, you know. Hey man, I built our lyrics. Go on, Joe. Flick tune. Hey. I like the one from bro. From me hear the intro, you know the song I was going to be insane, you know. This bad. Go on, Joe.
Yeah. Rari drifting on me insane. Girl want fuck me say bitch weird. Fuck it and cut me never sincere. Boss pan her face and she use it like skincare.
Yo, watch you! Yes,
if you never shave, then me bring near. Straight vibes from come in no drink beer. Travel with a shoes dog which pair. Shot him in a face, come it dog them no trim ear. DiSGRACE. DiSGRACE.
Jesus.
DiSGRACE. Yo Waterford, put more, yo face.
Oh, bad. DiSGRACE.
DiSGRACE.
Yeah.
DiSGRACE.
Yes.
DiSGRACE.
Hold on. Girl, you a wife up, me been there. You want her for yourself, but she still share.
Hola. Father and son, mad youth. Hey, yo, I saw, hey, the youth are bad. So you want acknowledge youth, say youth bad, you know, because youth a Vybz Kartel youth and three dog band with money. Come on, people, three dog band and money and go say, yo, dog, nobody read dog, the rate. Come on, no, you don't want to set it for your kids. You never wish your father or your mother set it for you where you born rich. And if you the born rich, I say you don't want people to try discredit your thing and say, yo, come on, you tough. And look how the dog father can jump on it.
DiSGRACE.
Yes.
DiSGRACE. DiSGRACe.
Oh, man. Listen.
Hold on. Girl, you a wife up, me been there. You want her for yourself, but she still share. A summer roll like a wheelchair when me and you come.
Hola. Hold on. No, dog. No. Them two called them two. No, man.
You want time for yourself, but you still share. A summer roll like a wheelchair. When me and your competition, dog, me know so life no feel fear. Carry belly like a bitch.
Buckley, when me and your competition, dog, me know life no feel fear. Bomba.
Nah, pink here. So me know you lean, but me straighter than a T-square. Einstein equation, E equal MC square. Likkle Vybz, I tell you what.
Einstein equation, E equal MC square. Buckley.
E equal MC square. Likkle Vybz, I tell you what, me want you listen real clear.
Gal fuck me for spite and a mistake. Ice just a freeze that me watch like me wrist break. 220 pan the dash.
Buckle, dog say gal fuck me for spite and a mistake. What you?
Gal fuck me for spite and a mistake. Ice just a freeze that me watch like me wrist break. 220 pan the dash dog which break. Suck off my balls, gal is sweet like his cake. Better than who, which year, that which date. Better than who, which parish, that which state.
I say better than who, which year, which date. Better than who, which parish, which state. Oh no, I forgot acknowledge a youth at some point, you know. Cause me no see nobody a drop lyrics like the youth, you know. Big man thing, you know. Straight DJ and at one point, I forgot acknowledge a youth, man. Go on you, Adi, Likkle Vybz. Go on work for your thing, bro. You see me go on, them have to acknowledge, you know. Yes, man, go on.
His cake, better than who, which year, that which date. Better than who, which parish, that which state. Better than flu, this first than 6 days. Shut up past through, him shirt and rip.
I'm sick of the blood. Weird.
Better than flu, this first than 6 days. Shut up past through, him shirt and rip cage.
Yes.
DiSGRACE,
Cheese and peace.
DiSGRACE,
Yes.
DiSGRACE. Yo Waterford, put more, yo fi face.
Yes.
DiSGRACE,
Yes.
DiSGRACE, DiSGRACE. Yo fi face.
DiSGRACE. Clean. Stop playing with the little guitar. The youth, yeah? Flood clean. Man say, girl, where your wife up me been there. You want her for yourself, but you still share. Yeah, so me roll like wheelchair. Better than oh, which date, which year? Better than oh, which parish yo, which state? Room, big up the you the dog. Oh my god, that's bad. That tough. Because yo, hey. You don't play the little with them, dog. Don't acknowledge you them, make you them strive and do them thing, bro. When we stop hate. You see me I say, gang? Look about you went off on that shit, boy. You went off on that shit, gang. You went off on that shit. That's added to the playlist right there, boy. I ain't gonna lie. DiSGRACE. Hey, go on through. Hey, not bad, guys. Let me know what you think about that in the comment section. I don't know what time it is now. The next time, take care of yourself and each other. I don't know. Hey, let's chop it up, man. Let's chop it up. Yeah, man, guys. The next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. I'm out.